Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete app download history on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So if you delete an app on your iPhone and you try to re-download the app, then you should see this cloud icon on the app. Instead of you to get the get button, then you're gonna see the cloud icon. So that shows you are here to delete the download history. Literally, you can hide this to make sure the cloud icon change to get. So to do this, all you need to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right on the App Store, and then under accounts you see apps, or if you have a family purchase application, then you should see them under here, but you can just narrow this to your personal apps. So go ahead and click on apps. Now once you selected apps, click on my apps. Under my apps, then you should see application you've deleted on your iPhone, but the history is still on the App Store. Now to remove this download history, all you need to do is swipe left and then click on hide. Then come here and click on not on this iPhone, and then select the application you want to remove the download history, and then swipe left and then click on hide. Click on done. Now if you come back here and search for the name of the application like this, and then search for it, now you should see the application that says like this, and then search for it. Then instead of you to have the cloud icon, then you should get the get button on the App Store. You see that? So that shows the download history is now hidden, and I can now go ahead get the application new. So that's exactly how to delete app download history on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.